Hi everyone, I am Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel, Food with Felicia Fox. Today is day 23 of the Carnivore Diet. So I'm going to do 90 days carnivore and 90 days vegan and track my progress just to see how, each lifestyle is beneficial to the body, mine in particular. I'm standing in the middle of a field full of mosquitoes, so I'm not sure how long this is gonna last. But I wanted to show you the beautiful day. So the sun is still kind of hazy from the forest fires, but it's significantly better. So I was working in the kitchen today. I twisted just the tiniest bit, just like this. And then my entire back went out. My upper back is completely right now. But I'm walking to try to loosen it up. So I have to go back to the chiropractor, maybe, or just lay on the floor. I think I'll just lay on the floor. Ack, I'm getting eaten. But the good news is I found a feather on my walk. And I think that's a good omen. When I find a feather, I feel like I'm protected by unseen forces and that good things are gonna come my way. So I feel that's the case for me. And I'm wearing all black. See my belly? That's gotta go. That's just gotta go. Could be something to do with menopause too, but I'll just keep going. And I guess that's all a person can do. My body's full of pain today. My feet are sore, my whole body's sore. I'm not sure what's going on. My sleep schedule is absolutely messed up. I fell asleep on the couch in the early evening for about an hour, and then I was up all night. Then I eventually fell asleep around 4 in the morning, and then slept till almost 11. So yeah, I'm a little bit messed up, but it's nice to get a walk in early evening. I'm going to have a bath with Epsom salts, and mosquitoes are getting to me, and then try to get some sleep. What I had to eat today was leftover cottage cheese flatbread. That stuff, I just really love that, with ham and butter. And so that really hit the spot for my brunch. And then for supper, I just got a big package of ground beef and fried it up and had Greek yogurt again with it. It wasn't as good without the bacon, but it was still good. Yeah, it was still good. And so I just had that. And then, yeah, so it's just a really beautiful evening besides the mosquitoes. So, my children are happy, and that makes all the difference in the world, when the children are happy. So mama's got to get happy. My mood is definitely better. I feel like I want to be physically healthier. I'm looking forward to that. So did I say day 23? Yeah, day 23. Yeah, I'm not gonna say I'm disappointed that I'm not feeling better. I'm a very impatient person, but I guess I'll just keep rolling. This is a very large experiment, and so I get it. Yeah, I get it. So please wish me well on the sleep tonight. I hope all you all are sleeping well and are happy. And thank you for your support and your subscriptions and likes and comments and guidance. I really appreciate that. Okay, so fabulous. I'm gonna say over and out, day 23. Ciao for now.